Hi everyone! Renate here from Crafty Renate. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing squishies. I haven't done a video like this in a while because I love squishies still, but I've been trying to hold back from buying, a whole ton. But it's been a couple of years, so I felt like I could treat myself to a couple more squishies. So I got 4, which isn't that much for a video, but I didn't want to just get squishies for the sake of the video. I'm not that rich. But so yeah, I just picked a couple that I've been wanting for years, and I'm very excited. I hope they send me the correct ones. I hope they don't have defects, or at least not any big defects. And yeah, I hope they're really squishy and really cute. Let's open the packages. So I got 3 packages, and the big one contains 2, or should contain 2. This one I'm gonna start with because it's been laying here for months. There was a whole issue with one of the squishies I ordered. It wasn't in stock, and then it was back ordered and back ordered again and back ordered again and delayed and blah blah blah, and then it was cancelled, and then I only had 2, and 2 was a little, well, not a lot to unbox in a video. So then I reordered it on a different website, and then it took a long time to get here, and yeah. Anyway, that was a very long story just to say that this one has been laying around for a long time, and I have been very good to not open it, but I did already cut them open to make it, ooh, it's in a box. Oh, and the box is like falling apart. Oh my gosh. Okay, the box is falling apart, which is a shame. Aww, because it's a really cute box. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, let's look at the box first. I'm not gonna look at the squishy yet. Dedication, I'm not looking yet. So yeah, it's a super cute box that is literally broken, but I'm still gonna use it because I'm the type of person who can use anything. I'm still gonna use this in my junk journal for sure. It's way too cute to not do anything with it. So, okay, let's look at the squishy. Where is it? I see a bunny butt. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. It smells like something, but I don't know what it smells like. What do you smell like? Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. So it's like a strawberry cake with green drizzle, and it has a bunny on it. Look at its butt. It's so cute. Okay, let's squish it. It's semi-slow rising, I would say. Yeah. Sorry, bunny. He's so adorable. His little face. And he also has some drizzle on his little head. No defects that I can see at all. And the paint job is really nice. I also love the ombre effect here. It's so adorable. So cute. I love it. So I'm super glad that I got you. You're so cute. Okay, yes, I'm 41 and I'm like going crazy over squishies, which is totally fine because I'm me and I just love squishies. There's nothing wrong with that. Next thing. I always love it when in squishies videos they squish the squishy when it's still in the packaging. I'm weird. So yeah, just me? Yeah, maybe. Okay, It's from Giggle Bread. I have a couple more from Giggle Bread and they're all super, super nice. So I think I'm gonna love this one. It's so big. Oh. This one has been on my wish list for a very, very, very long time. And I finally got, oh my gosh. It's even cuter in person. Look, it's a cherry pie. It's a cherry pie with a little face, of course. Oh, yes. Mmm. Oh, it smells good. It smells like pastries for sure. Oh my god. Am I imagining things? Sorry, I'm like sniffing it all over. I think I smell like bread or pastry here and strawberry here. I might just be imagining things though. That's definitely strawberry. Strawberry, but it's cherry pie. It's probably cherry. I also just removed my nail polish, so I still have the smell of nail polish remover in my nose, which kind of makes it difficult to smell the squishies. But it smells really good, and it's super cute. Look at the cherries, and his little face, and the crust. Again, no defects whatsoever, no tears. It's so cute. It's more on the slow rising side, but not super slow rising. Oh, this one's already peeking out. Okay, look, I don't know why. I love, love, love bread squishies and I love the scent, but I have been wanting a slice of bread for the longest time. It's so simple, yet I absolutely, oh, it feels so nice. It just, I don't know, I just love it. Oh, it's so cute. It doesn't even have a face or anything. It's like a bread slice. Oh, it's so cute. But it's cute to me. And it feels, oh my gosh. I don't think you're going to be able to squish this all that much because, yeah, see. This one is pretty, I'm not going to say dense, but I thought this was going to be more like, I have this little loaf of bread with cuts in it, and that's super slow rising. So when you squish the slices, the top of the slices, it's super slow rising. I thought this was going to be the same, but it's not. It's, see? But it's still really nice and I still really like it. Yeah, I really wanted a bread slice squishy and now I have one. And now we're already on to the last one, unfortunately. I wish I had more to show you and more to, you know, unbox for myself. Okay, this is the one that had all the issues and that I ended up ordering somewhere else. This has been on my list again for a very long time. Oh my god. Oh yes. Sorry, I need to show you for, ooh, you're slow rising. Look at him. Look at him. It's a marshmallow. Well, it's a s'more to be exact because it has the cookies. I mean, how can you not love this? Yeah, I don't understand if you don't love this. I don't know if we can be friends if you don't love this. Just kidding. But everyone has different interests and everything, but it's so cute. Oh, let me squish you good. So this is a little slower rising. Ah, again, smells incredible. I love it. Yes, I finally got you. Do you know what I needed to do to get you? It was a whole thing. So yeah, No defects again. Oh my gosh, I got so lucky. There is just a teeny tiny smear of white paint here. I mean, that's, you can barely tell. That doesn't matter, but ooh. Now I finally got you. So I got some really fun squishies to put on shelves again. I am so happy with them. I love them and they were well worth the wait as far as I'm concerned. I do hope you enjoyed watching this video as well. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you want to buy me a cappuccino, you definitely can. I love coffee. I drink it too much maybe, but it keeps me going. So there's a link in the description box that tells you how to do that if you wanted to, you know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with my next video. Bye! Okay, so I have... Ooh, I hit myself in the face. And I'm even crying because I'm that emotional. I'm not. It's just my mascara. Ooh, there's lipstick on you. I'm so sorry. Oh no. Oh no. And it's a long-lasting kind too. Oh no. Oh, I'm making it worse.